So good day. So in this video, I will create a simple Visual Basic GUI registration and login system using Microsoft Visual Studio. So in this program, it allows a user to register by entering personal information and then log in using the registered username and password. So the system will use variables only without using the database or external storage. So first, I will design the graphical user interface and then I will write the code for the registration and login functionality. So let's begin. Okay, so first, this is the form one. We will make the registration form first. Let me adjust this. Just then go to toolbox. Let me just add a label for title of registration form. Then inside. Okay, text registration form. There. So just then the font just make it bold and bigger. Okay. And I'll put some text boxes for the input to the information such as the full name, password, etc. Around text boxes. So it will be better if I use the panel so in order to solid format. Um, the picker. Oops. There. Put here. Just mark up the numbers. Like this. state gender. So gender, I'll use the arrange buttons. So for a bit naman, so dito iyo. Ito, this is for female. Oops. Let's leave it not to say, different to say. So this would be like for personal information personal information. So, just add okay. Let's just say personal info. Just make it to the size. Okay. So, yeah. And, just adjust. Instead, just okay. Then another panel. One other section. Oops. You can just transfer it here. Contact info. Just the contact info. Send. Oops. So here will be the just say we have personal info, contact info, and we'll just look at it again. Personal info. Let's see. Just oops. And as for the followers and yearly for I'll be using the combo pattern of this. Auto. Here. personal info, academic info, contact info, is something same. Hobbies. 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 No. Hobbies. And hobbies. Just control. Get the checkbox. And just playing. Just put 6. Hidden. Basic. Oops, no. Admin. Things over here, then let's see what we let's check. Okay. So we'll just add the registration button, accept, cancel, and some checkboxes for the agree and confirm. So we'll just add another checkbox for the agree to terms and conditions and the confirm the informations. So checkbox. Letter 1. I'll just put it here and here. And this, I'll just call it agree. Oops. Terms and conditions. And for this one, will be the confirm all the information is true. For that, all the information. Oops. I'll go for the officers. Then for the button for the register, clear, and the accept. So button here and button 1, button 3. So I'll just assign 4 here. I'll just put it here. And this one. Let's make it bigger. A bit. Kind of weird. I'll just put it here. I'll just this part. Just adjust it. second one, wait, X, just oh, this is clear. Now reset. Oh, it's not clear. And for this one is the exit. So I'll be adding some course later. Now since the form one, which is the registration course done. Next I'll be making the next form, the second form, which is the login form. So I'll just click here the project name, right click, and then add new item, and create form. This form, then add, and yeah, then we have the second form. So this will be the login form. So can I just make this more? Right. Just for design. Then I'll put a link for a title. Oops, wrong spelling. Okay, let's put here. Just sign it later. And for so in this login form, we'll put here the username, password, and the two buttons, just the login and the clear. So stay clear. So the username and password. Then add two text boxes for username and password. Text box. So we set the balance. Okay. The two buttons. Other one. So here. Okay. Button ito. Yung button mo dito kita login. Here and the clear. And I can just put the handout. Okay. Nothing wait. Here. And this will be the login form. And yes. Oops. Now it's time to add some styles of designs and colors and more ink. Just image is out force. Visual form. Let's see. So position or probably do center scape. It. Yeah. So let's go. Okay, center screen. I'm collecting images. Look. Stop now. And then stop now. Forward. Like so. Just like that. Okay, it's getting. Okay. Way. 1, 26. Now, background. So, just use this. Okay, this is not good. Okay, done looking for it. Search for design. Got something missing, so I'll just add something inside the course level. New level also. So inside the course. So I'll put inside the course items. Then inside the course I'll put a and the save it. And IT and let's get BSIT. And check if it's on. Okay, it's showing here, so not the same as the label, which is the first or fourth year. Okay, I click here, items, say first, oops, here, second year, here, fourth year. Okay, try again. Okay, so yeah, so now time to rename the inside the text box page. And yeah, I almost forgot the password, so let me just skip. And so let's say confirm password. So here, something missing is the code and adding some variables and just so I should name the variables. So since this is the registration form and the login form, but after the login form we had to make another form for the which after the login form, which shows the welcome message, and it shows all the info that you input the registration for. So I will just cut this bit, and I will just keep it out while I'm making the design. So, but before I do that, first is, since we not gonna use the database, so we're gonna do using all the variables. So let's just click the project name, then add, then module. So it's module. So I'm gonna put it here all the variables, since we're not going to use the database. So it's the public a view as string, and just be on that. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Just copy 4, 8, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's not address. Address. The email. The username. Password. Gender. And the course. Okay. Course and year level. Birth date. Birthdays. Yes, hobbies. Yes, I just learned William Suppose. So that's all. These are the variables. Since we're not going to use the database, so we have the ways of using the variables. So we create another form, add an item in this form, then add. Okay, so I'll just cut this video, I'll just keep it. So this is the form one. It starts with the register here. At first is the first I'm gonna make a basic validation of this registration form, which it must not be empty. So if and that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then put your message box. Message box will show all the if the all the text boxes is not inputted, it will be shown like this. Like, it will be enter please complete all fields. And then it exits up. Then next is the password validation. So the password must be at least 6 characters. So we're gonna if statement. If and then the name of variables and password is password method length. Must it says 6, so text password text that length is less than 6. So message bug will be shown as password must be at least 6 characters above. Um, Password be at least 6 characters. So okay, and then another password validation. The password is the password and confirm password must match. So we have to add. So another if statement. So the password if password so the password and the confirmed password is not same match. So we have to put like the password is not match. And then another message box show passwords do not match. And exit sub. And then next is the email validation. So the email must contain the @ sign. So we're gonna put another if statement. Email X so contain @ sign or not. The text that will be off. Mhm. So I message should that. Oh, you say that. So not just only the at sign. Since we know that the email address has the at and the .com and the dot sign, so I'll just copy paste the dot sign. If it's not include the at sign or the dot and the dot sign, it will be message box show invalid email format. Exit sub. Next is the contact validation. So the contact must contain numbers only. So it's not no. So another if statement, the contact text, you know. So it's not numeric. So it's not numeric. So numeric number of the contact text contact. Then maybe message box or the contact number must be numbers only. So, and another for contact validation is it must have a valid length such as 11 digits. So another statement for the validation for contact. So it's contact. So it's contact. So text that length and is not like the 7 message box. Yes. 11 digits. Yeah. Set. So, after the contact is gender validation. So the gender validation is it is needed to at least choose one or one ready button must be selected. I mean, so if another if statement, since the so we have three video buttons that contains male, female, and prefer not to say. So we have to make three. So if since the name of the variable here is the RB male, so as the rest is RB female or RB prefer. So, so RB male is RB male checked. It was if I if we did not choose and RB female that is not checked. This is equals to false. And RP prefer. So we have three here. If it's not yet choose any the three video button for the gender, it will be message box. So please select gender. Exit so. So done for the gender. Next is the year level. So the year level. So there's a year level in the course, or all of it has a. It's already have been inputted. So it has here and as same as the year level. I did insert the strings here. That's first to fourth year. So the combo box, the course and year level. So I have to record about it. So it needs to be chosen. So it's combo box, combo course. Selected index. The one. Then is box show. Please select no scores. Itself and same for the year level part. Just have to change the variable. Okay, and here year level. On then next is the checkbox part. So just the hobbies and interior scores and the agree to the terms, the condition, and confirm information is true. So I'm gonna make that. So same as usual is I'm gonna use the if statement. So these are the checklist of the hobbies. So we just put usual the message box, which it says please select at least one hobby. Next is the terms validation. Uh, it's checkbox same. So I'm still using the if statements as usual. Check the terms that checked. If it's not checked, that will be please agree. Please agree to the terms of condition. Set so. And same the second one, which is the confirm if the information is true. So I'm gonna copy paste this. So say true. Oh no, wait. It will be okay if it's the search. Or the truth that checked was executed terms of condition and confirm information. So next is the birth date part, or identify the age validation. So if it's so the user must fall within the acceptable age range, such as 16 to 99 years old. So I'm gonna make a statement again. Before that, we should make a variable here, which is age as integer. And age is equals to date now, and year is minus to the the, the date picker, birthday that value that year. So, and that's when you start making the if statement. So if age is this done to 16, or age is greater than 99. So message box that show age must be between 16 and 99 years. So for X sets up, then we're gonna use this to save the variables. So we're gonna use the registered full name was the text box we just named as variable. Full name text. So I'll just copy, and that then is registered is true. And then once the registration is successful, it will be shown this, then and it will be if we go to the second form, which is the login after the registration, then it will be hide this form. Then next is since we done the register part button, then we're going to do the clear clear. So I'm gonna type all the variables that it's shown here, the blank, the text boxes, the genders, such as include the check boxes, and the full name. There, and here's the button for clear. Then the exit buttons is just this application that exit. That's all. Now let's test it up. So here it is. So I can type here. Register. Oh, we cannot click the register because we haven't making the second form. So because clear, yeah, just this. So we need to make another login button here. For the login button, we go to about is registered is false, then it will be message box that show no registered user yet. So mm, if it's user is registered username and text password, then will be message box again for mm, only input if it's not the correct password or the incorrect username, and that will be the login button. Then oh yeah, the click button. So it was just same as the username. Is that clear? And then also for the password, will be the final. I have the login form and the registration form. So I think I'm gonna add this up the show password thing. So I'm gonna add the checkbox. Show password. So that small and okay. I think it will be real. Show password. In order to hide, I will just find the it text Steve. So this thing will be the code. So I'm gonna click this. Excuse me. So as I was saying, so in order to be shown password or hide password, so we're gonna use the if statement. So if check. I forgot the name. Checkbox one. Check box one is checked. Let's check the text. No, it's not text box. It's text password. So it's text password. Oh, text password. Password dot use system password char, make it false. So else, so true. So that will be this for the, and then as for the, I would like to include the job password, but since it has not much time, so I will just keep it running. Take a while, so I enter Fletcher, long third, birth date, it's 14, then email, courses BSIT, and second year, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then email address at mail.com, and use Fletch, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then check agreement. If I did not click this, it would be, oh, I got it. So here it is again. So just one eye. Just enter Fletcher, long third, birth date. Just sample of it. Email, of course. Just change one. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like gmail.com. Stop drawing. And just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try now. Please agree to terms and conditions since I haven't checked this. So let's try other here. Please select at least one hobby. So yeah. What if my the age, like the age must be between 16 and 99, so so it accurately says, what if I did not even include this invalid email format, so gmail.com, sorry about the sounds, background sounds, kind of noisy. What if it doesn't even reach 11 more number between, 11 digits, so it's not, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I remove my name, so it will be all files, so I did not really one by one, so I'll just put it all, so it must be all. So the registration is successful, so now you are in a login form, so my username is Fletch, and the password is, and I'm missing dot. I really for that. Something missing, so yeah. So means there's something missing. Only the password here. So we need to find the, yes, all here is. Yeah. Then let's go back. Let's check out if it's okay. And then my name, address. Oops, not that. 6. Yeah, so now it'll be email course the second year. Let me skip it a bit. Here, then register, registration successful. And lastly, the login form, if it's correctly, then there we go. And show password. Now it shows. Then login. Oh, something missing. Alright, I just noticed that this part is mistakenly. Wow. Okay, support. There we go. Oh, let's test it up again. It will be fine now. Let me just skip it. So again, so register successful. And let's do last. So done. And it mentions my name, welcome to Fletcher. So now you can find, so that's all. So you can go to the login form and also this, and it could be clear. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you.